There you go, and I'm recording it. No, no, it's fish, isn't it? I'm gonna wear my sweatshirt, just my jacket. Here's your waiter. You got heavy socks. I got some. You want them?
No, these are.
I'm gonna build that rod case after the first of the year. This way, when we pull in, all I gotta do is unlock it and pull our rods out. I'm going to start with a Casey, number 12.
I'll start with the white.
That's pink.
Oh, I'll start with the white.
White? Pretty small, but we like the white.
What do I have left in mine?
I didn't put it back in there.
You have it.
You never used it.
Oops.
Okay, I'll fill you back up then later.
I did my own. We're at Bennett Springs.
You got to talk loud.
Bennett Springs.
Talk loud.
Hey! We're at Bennett Springs. This is where we always come. But we don't always go to this spot. We're going to go to a different spot.
Why is that?
They're putting new tanks in here at Bennett Springs. So where we normally fish is over there by the, what's called Little
Feeder Creek.
Feeder Creek, but
There's
I don't know, the
no
water's
water.
so low. Even here, it's really low. So we're gonna just try a different spot, see how it goes.
And what fly are you starting with?
I wanna try a white, just like a glow ball. See how it goes, and if not, Mikey here has all kinds of flies.
Mikey?
So I'll be
She calls me
switching up.
Mikey. But my son got me this new release thing.
How does that work?
Waiting to try. And you want to reel up. Looks like an adventure group went by. Kathy thinks she wants to do
I like that.
a full marathon
It's
sometime.
fun. It's fun to do the Galloway. If you haven't tried that yet, if you're a runner, try the Galloway method. Now, which way are we going to go in? This way or over here?
It doesn't matter. I'm going to go down this. It may be tough to get down, be muddy.
This has bad memories for me. I slipped, fell one time and had to crawl up the bank. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. It was a summer day too. It was nice and warm. Luckily, it was
It was
nice
embarrassing.
and warm. Okay,
People were around.
you're ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Okay, so now I'm going to decide how I'm going to get down. This way to slip or that way?
So I got Kathy all rigged up. She's down the hill right here from me. She's already caught one, and I'm still getting rigged up. But this stretch of water is where I basically started fishing not too long ago, fly fishing at least. It's shallow water, pretty fast running. We may go up to the slower water later, I don't know. Check your fly.
This one I might get my net out. This one's a busy one.
Where'd you end up hooking your net?
Man, my arm is my bad.
Well, he's a fighter.
Ta-da! Hi, Trap. I'll let you go. Stop. Here. Sorry, guy. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, where'd it go? Oh. This is my trout. It's a bullnose trout, so it's a male. So I'm gonna let it go. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Trout. Oh, well, he flipped out. There you go. Hey, how many does that make, Mike?
This is only number 4.
4. I think that's all I've got.
That's all you got?
I think so.
Got my new tool out here.
Did it work?
No, not yet. He's still
Oh,
on.
still on.
Well, Kathy got her hoodie wet, so she's going up to the store to get her a new hoodie. She got stuck and stuck her arm in the water, and so she's gonna go up there and get her a dry hoodie. It's kind of slow today. I've only caught 5, but we're fishing a place where I spent a lot of time years ago, but it's slow. We've changed flies a couple times, and I just had one get off. The white one.
The white one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, put another white one on.
Gotta be careful when you got 2 on there when you take it off, huh?
Oh, wow. Pretty, look at that.
Got them hooked good.
Well, I think I'm gonna end my fishing. I caught 10, but I got my shirt all wet, so I had to go buy a new shirt. And then I think my waders are leaking, so I'm gonna take them off, and it feels like they're leaking. My sock feels wet, so I'm going to take it off and see if they are. And Mike's out there fishing, so maybe I'll record him. Good day. At least it wasn't, it was cold. I would have been freezing with my sleeve all wet. So I've got a new shirt. Woohoo! Okay, well, I'll see how many Mike did, and my total ended up being 10. So 10 trout today. That is pretty good. So I don't know what Mike's at, but I'm sure he'll tell you when he gets up here. So I'm gonna take off my waders, maybe see about this leak. I said I got 10. How many did you get?
17.
17.
17.
17.
And what?
And I did have a leak in my waders.
Yeah.
So my socks got all wet. So when you come, which I usually always do, bring maybe an extra shirt because I had to go buy one.
Shirt,
Extra socks. Mike had a pair of socks, so I could put his on. I usually always bring that stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. It was just not a good fishing day for me. I mean, it was good, but
wasn't your normal
it wasn't
day.
what I usually have. So luckily for me, though, I do have a pair of neoprene waders. So.
And I'll try to find the whole
Those are
left
gonna be
foot
my-
low, huh?
And it's winter time anyway, so I like wearing those anyway. Because it's all one piece. I don't have to put on boots, and I like that. So, anyways, I think you're done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think he's done. Are we done?
We brought lunch and we're not even going to eat it.
We're not going to eat our lunch. We'll just go home. So, unless she has something else to add.
Nope. It was a good day.
I don't even know if this is in here.
We, huh?
My face might not even be in here. So you had a good day?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I didn't lose very many flies, neither did you.
And the one that caught the most was, the white,
These down here, which I need to tie a bunch
Those.
more.
Right
Fill
here,
this
yeah.
up and fill this up.
yeah, so.
Okay.
Alrighty. Now we're gonna haul it all back in here.